In this video, we are going to graft a baby moon cactus on a Pereskiopsis. This process is called micrografting. Take a baby moon cactus using a knife or any sharp tool, or simply twist and turn. Please use gloves or tweezers to avoid spines. Please don't mind me doing this by hand. The base is called rootstock and the grafted part is called Scion. Cut about a quarter or lesser. And make sure to expose the ring of vascular bundles. If you look closer, there's a circular outline. This is called Ring of Vascular Bundles. Use gloves or tweezers when handling Pereskiopsis because it has needle-like thorns that can get to skin so easily and can cause severe irritation. Again, please don't mind me doing this by hand. Take some leaves of the Pereskiopsis. We will use it as glue later. See this circular outline? This is the Ring of Vascular Bundles. Our goal is to overlap these rings on both Scion and rootstock. This is important because this is the main tissue that supplies nutrients and water from roots. If in case these rings were not aligned, your graft might still grow as there are smaller tissues with the same function but with lesser capability. The end result, your graft will grow slower. To avoid this, make sure to align these rings. Now, we will use these Pereskiopsis leaves as glue. Stick the Scion, align, and press firmly. You may or may not cover this, but my personal choice is to cover to minimize moisture loss and increase success of this graft. Keep the cover on until a week. Then remove it by the end of the week. Wounds should heal and Scion should stick to the rootstock. We can see hard callus form in this junction. No sign of dying on our Scion. Continue to observe the Scion. If you think it did not stick well to the rootstock, you might have to redo the process from start. So this is a successful graft. Why graft moon cactus in the first place? Because moon cacti are albino, meaning they don't have chlorophyll, which is responsible for converting solar energy into sugar through photosynthesis, which plants need to survive. So they need to be grafted on a rootstock with chlorophyll. They cannot survive on their own. What did you learn from this video? Please leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!